Welcome to the Autoreveal ID channel. Today we're going to discuss, this isn't just an SUV, the 2027 GLS 450 is a rolling S-Class. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLS 454 Matic continues to define what a full-size luxury SUV should be, blending cutting-edge technology, refined performance, and exceptional comfort into one premium package. Often referred to as the S-Class of SUVs, the latest GLS evolves with smarter features and a more sophisticated driving experience. Under the hood, the GLS 450 is expected to retain its smooth 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid assistance, delivering around 375 horsepower, and paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to all four wheels through Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, ensuring confident traction in all conditions. Inside, the 2027 model takes a major leap forward with advanced tech. A new MBUX superscreen setup featuring multiple large displays under a single glass panel creates a futuristic driver-focused cockpit. Enhanced AI integration, improved voice control, and over-the-air updates elevate convenience and connectivity. Comfort remains a standout strength. The GLS offers 3 spacious rows of seating, premium materials, and available features like massaging seats, multi-zone climate control, and advanced air suspension systems. Optional upgrades such as e-active body control help the SUV glide over rough roads while maintaining impressive stability. On the outside, subtle design updates include revised LED lighting, a refreshed grille, and modernized styling cues that align with Mercedes-Benz's latest design language. These changes keep the GLS looking elegant yet contemporary. Overall, the 2027 GLS 454 Matic delivers a near-perfect balance of luxury, technology, and everyday usability, making it one of the most compelling choices in the full-size luxury SUV segment.